So we have some cute little places up on the beach, guys. This is a nice little, I think it's a guest house with bar, jacuzzi, and all of that. It's right close to Margaritaville. Not too big, just a nice little spot. You have your lawn chairs, you have the little resort over there, and of course this is the bar area. So it's right up the beach. You get everything up the beach, and people just pretty much coming out now. It's the early 8:30, you know, Jamaica time. People like to relax in, and then about into the 10 o'clock. And I think this is like a buffet style area here where you get your meal. So it's right close to Margaritaville. You can just eat outside. You're just taking in the sea waves and the calm atmosphere. Very serene and nice. And then my favorite part, food Caribbeans. Favorite part of, you know, I could stay in this water all day, just relaxing, calm your nerves. So guys, this is Margaritaville in Negril, up the beach, close to standards, close to travelers, close to Opolo Park. So this is the party scene, guys. You know Margaritaville, it's all about partying, liquor, fun time, and it's right up here in this area. So these are your beach chairs. You can just get your drinks from the bar out here, relax on the chairs out here. We have like water sports. Everything is in this little spot right here. And right over here we have some jelly coconut, jelly coconut, yoga, gym, Zumba. Everything is happening right in this little area here. So Margaritaville, Negril. So we have all type of things going on right here. And then this is how it looks like in the morning. So this is like 8 o'clock in the morning, and here you are. The sea is right here. It's right by the beach. And here you go. Boat, glass bottom boat passing through. If you want to go out snorkeling and stuff. Look at this nice sky. It's a little cloudy up here. You know, people are still in bed, but it's about like say 10 o'clock you can see everybody coming. Jam pack up here. If you're planning on coming down, check Margaritaville. Fun, fun, fun. So this is all your lawn chairs over here. Get your beer, get you your drinks, and come on, relax on all these chairs. And then if you feel like, you run on out into the sea and just get a dip. Or you can pay some money and just get a cruise out. Do some snorkeling and all of those good stuff. And we have much more up the beach. If you continue walking up, lots to do. I mean, it's not busy as in the winter season. But people are here, trust me guys. People are here post-pandemic. Negril is still looking good. Jamaica. This party boat is rolling into Margaritaville, right off the beach. Time for the party. Late evening now. So there's another one behind it. It's coming in. Everybody is trying to get over Margaritaville. Negril up the beach. Wow, it's such a nice day. Still have the water sport going, as you can see. And there goes the beautiful sun right up there in the sky, shining down.